Hey everyone, Ingrown hairs. So, there's actually a couple of products on the market that do this really well. This is the one we're going to be reviewing, but there is another one that I think is just as equally good. So here it is, it's 10 Skin. Now 10 Skin is basically a big bottle of alcohol with some salicylic acid. Yeah, that's pretty much all it is. But the thing is, it really does work. Now if you shave your neck, other areas, it can be, you can get problems with it. I get it sometimes on my neck. I'm not gonna lie, I've been using this for nearly 20 years. It's really good stuff. It really does work. It helps preventing and dealing with ingrown hairs and the bumps and the redness that's associated with it. When you apply this to your skin, you're gonna go, if you've ever seen the sketch from the film Airplane 2 where the guy is trying to shave and he's like cutting his face up and then he goes to put aftershave on and suddenly starts screaming. This is quite similar to this. It's very strong and it will, yeah, but it really, really does work. Now there's another alternative and that is the Alpha H Gold. You know, the Alpha H liquid? It's really, really extraordinary product. Works incredibly well and overnight. Yes, it contains alcohol, but that's really not a concern for me. It may be for you, but it's not for me. I find that the products that do contain some alcohol oftentimes perform much better, but that's my personal opinion. But that works incredibly well, and you can use that on your face as well. And most people notice a difference when using Alpha H really, really quickly. But you don't want to use this on your face, but for unsightly ingrown hairs, it's an excellent option. You can use it on other areas of the body, as I mentioned, but be very careful. If you're shaving things that are a little too close for comfort, you may want to think twice before, you know, might want to think twice. But it's truly a great product. I got this from Amazon because it's becoming a little bit hard to find here in the UK. 420 mils, I expect this to last me about a year or so, if not more. Excellent, excellent product. I'll pop everything down there in the description bar, but if you suffer from unsightly bumps, it may be a great option for you. By the way, other exfoliating products with beta-hydroxyacids in can and do work, but they do not work, that I have found, the same as this product does. This product works much better for me than all the other products, including those from Paula's Choice and other high-end companies, which work great on the face, but I haven't noticed a reduction in ingrown hairs and bumps when using salicylic acid products that are slightly different to this or the Alpha H one. So I just thought I'd mention that. There you go. See you next time. Bye-bye.